Just did a 164, 64.5 at 20 hertz.
Holy frick. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Okay.
360 amp hours of CMAX. Might see it better from the other side.
Yeah. Have you ever considered putting any of it under the vehicle? Or it's always been in the vehicle?
It's always been in here.
Okay. Wow.
When I built Matt Brown's truck, we put all his in.
That's insane. And these are, what are they wired to?
Half ohm.
Half ohm each. Okay.
Yeah, the SDDs come with 1 ohm.
Dual 1 ohms. Okay. Wow. How much weight's in here?
I think it weighs,
wow.
It weighs about 10,500.
Way overrated. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
To blow. Man, you've done some work on here, man.
Yeah, man. Keep grinding on.
So you've got your standard windshield and then you've got your extreme. Wow. Is there a reason the depth of where you put this versus farther up?
I just wanted it to be flat on the column.
Yeah. Man. Wow. Are these SDDN?
SDDN 18s.
Okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick? Go for it.
Brett, it's Diablo, man. 818 SDDNs, 8 sold AKs.
Wow.
Carbon cones, black spiders.
And this is a 4th order?
6 order.
There's a 6.
There's a 4th back there.
Really?
Tucked away.
Wow, you couldn't even see it.
It's in the center back.
Okay, I see it now. I didn't even realize that. Wow. This is insane. So what kind of SPL score are you getting out of this?
I just did a 164, 64.5 at 20 hertz.
Holy freak. 20 hertz mid-60s. That's
I
insane.
haven't checked the top end, so
You haven't? Yeah. Man. Is this trailered? Drivable still?
No, yeah, I have a trailer.
Okay. You can actually remove it.
13,000 pounds, so
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, man.
How many windshields did you break before you decided to put your windshield in?
Well, it was a 4th order when it was a stock cabin. They didn't really break them. It was a solid steel roof then anyway.
Oh, so you've never shattered a windshield? Oh, wow. Okay. Awesome. Man. Did you build this?
Yeah.
It's insane. Is a random question, nobody's ever asked you this before. Where is your cabin box stop? Like, I mean, is it like all the way up here? Or is part of this part of the box?
No, it's
just
a console.
It is? Okay.
But yeah, it stopped right here.
Okay, so your cubic space is working with here.
Yeah,
How many cubes per sub do you think, roughly?
3.5, 4, 5, something like that.
Okay. Wow. That's impressive. And you're on Team Audio Freak. Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for showing me. I'm going to check out the back and all.
All right.
Wow. Woo! I was watching your door flex. You didn't flex very much. Like, you've got some good containment on pressure on that thing, man. That's insane. That's your socials. Diablo 843. Wow. 4 alternators. Ran that. Are those 450, 420s, or 370? Okay. Wow. They do? You're probably getting about 300, 280 to 300 per, something like that.
I don't know, it's about 200.
Yeah.
I mean, about 2,000 RPM,
Woo! Yeah. Wow.
as long as you run 3 at a time, that's stuff in the book.
Yeah. Oh man. That's crazy. And you can stage all of your output from right here. That's wild. Yeah. This is a show stopper right here, man. It's crazy.
It just
Well, you know, we ain't babying it. What, a little bit of smoke, you said?
yeah.
That might do one too. What do you think, Jacob?
That's insane. Well, the thing is everything in there's not moving, so the containment is all on whatever's in there. Yeah.
disrespectful when you do that.
This is called the
Diablo.
oh wow. Man. Can I get in, sir? Wow. Whoa. That's all extreme.
Are you about to make a video? I need to record.
Wow.
That right there, that's the one.
That's crazy. Man. Dude, you don't have pressure on anything but the body, too. You did amazing. Jesus. Yeah, I might want to play half volume.
They're brand new, so.
Oh, let them cool off a little. Subscribe for new builds every week and use discount code JacobViral